Okay, so today I'm going to put on the Anything Cradle Top Load Kit from Salsa for the front of my bicycle. First thing that you have to do is you have to attach the levers or the handles to the front, let's call it basket holder. And that just takes a simple multi-tool. Step, you can see I attached with zip ties, just 2 zip ties and a crisscross, my holder for the Wahoo cycle computer, because I'm going to take up that space with other stuff, so I wanted to mount it there. So it also came with these plastic pieces, which you can snap in so that it customizes to the aperture of the hole size to your handlebars, and that worked really easily. You just snap them in here. And now you just screw in the screws to affix the cradle onto your front handlebars. So now the cradle is on the handlebars. The next step is to fill up the dry bag, which is a waterproof bag that Salsa makes. I found that I either put in cycling clothes or I put in my regular casual clothes when I'm doing day after day trips. There is a air valve, which makes it really great for getting all the air out and compressing it down. And it has a roll top for collapsing it to what you want and making sure that it stays waterproof. Things about the bag, it actually collapses on the side to keep itself dry. The Salsa goes toward you, and then these little straps here affix it to the cradle. Salsa gives you 2 rubber straps, and this is very important, I found, through trial and error. You want to feed them through the cradle like this, with the top hanging out and the hook facing down toward the front tire. And then hook it in the back of the cradle, again, so that you're maximizing the use of the cradle. And it wraps all the way around the cradle. Pull it to the inside of these 2 straps, which we'll talk about next. Okay, now the bag is on there. It's not going anywhere. It's affixed by those 2 straps and by the 2 black built-in straps on the back. Front, you can also put on this other bag that Salsa gives you. I used it for toiletries, but I found out it's not a dry bag. Water came into it on rainy days. We had some incredibly rainy days in New Zealand. And you just affix it with these 2 straps, like I have here. Here's the second one, to the back that they give you to secure it. So here's the finished product. It's all on. I put my light on top, which you want on days where you think it's going to rain or be dark. And I affixed my bike computer, my Wahoo. You will see it does inhibit you a little bit around the brakes, but not much at all. And you still have your tops for riding on the tops.